flags! Hello comrades, welcome to Commander Brito-Ruskie-Ski, and today we are going to be doing the 2024 flag showcase where I have all of my flags on a pile right there, comrades, and I'm going to be showing you my huge collection, so you will feel very jealous. Now comrades, I actually own a fuck ton of flags. I mean, as you can see, there's a bunch on the wall here, which I will show you at the end of the video. But let's start with the smaller flags first. You know, I own some shit. You got the flag of Lithuania, comrades. Litva was actually a very amazing country. I bought this in Lithuania when I went to Vilnius, comrades. Like, if you haven't seen a Baltic documentary, go watch that shit. Vilnius is beautiful. I have this big ass fucking flag of Liechtenstein. I bought this while in Liechtenstein, comrades. I remember I went there in 2022, and yeah, this flag cost me about €7. Liechtenstein is fuck, comrades. Liechtenstein is proof of a failed capitalist society. It is way too expensive. You have the shitty Greek flag. This is a very small flag on like a shitty wooden stick. This is some shit like Greek pirates would have in the 1800s. But yeah, I bought this while in Greece. You know, come on, I've traveled around a little bit, let's just say. I bought this while in Greece. It's a very, very cool flag. I love it, comrades. Greece was very fun though. I don't know if I have many photos. They might be on my old phone, but if I have photos, I'll put them up. I have this little flag of Russia that I bought, comrades. I have not actually been to Russia yet, comrades, but I will be going very soon. Of course, comrades, I want to go at some point after the Ukraine war ends, so you know, I can actually enter properly. Here we have this big ass Polish flag. Now this flag, I actually bought it while in Poland. I was in Krakow. We was on our way to the Wawel castle, comrades, and you know, I was like, you know what, I need a fucking Polish flag, and this flag is fucking, I love the Polish flag. Such good comrades, I'm going to glaze the shit out of this flag, comrades. It is very nice. Comrades, here's the flag of Kazakhstan, comrades. Now, I love the Kazakh flag. By the way, S-tier flag. I fucking love it. I actually have so much shit from Kazakhstan. Let me show you this. Salam Rahmet is Kazakhstan. Comrades, as you can see, I bought this little traditional hat from Kazakhstan. I also bought a badass vodka chess set, comrades. I will show a photo of me showing it on stream now. It's on my shelf and it's holding up some books, so I don't want to take it out. But yeah, it's in Kazakhstan. I bought some great shit there. You know, I wish I vlogged it, comrades, but I really wanted to, you know, take in the experience and enjoy it. That's why I never vlogged Kazakhstan. But yeah, I took a lot of photos. I'll show some shit on the side, I'm sure. I bought this English flag. Now, I bought this when we was in Cornwall, comrades, on holiday. And I was like, you know what, I need a fucking, I want an English flag. I don't have one yet, comrades, so I bought it. I'll be honest, the English flag's a bit shit. I prefer the Union Jack, but, you know, it's still a nice flag. I have this little German flag. Now, I actually ended up buying this in Liechtenstein. Because in Germany, they are just not that patriotic, it seems. I couldn't find, when I was in Germany and Austria, I couldn't find anything. I couldn't find any of their flags, comrades, so I had to buy them in Liechtenstein. So, you know, the little small little shit flags. And here's the Austrian one, comrades, just to show. I loved Austria. I went to Bergens, or Bregenz, I forget what it's called. It was an amazing city. I fucking loved it. I have a whole video about visiting Liechtenstein, Switzerland and Austria in one day. I will link it in the description. Go watch that video. Here's the flag of Strasbourg in France. Now, comrades, Strasbourg was beautiful shit, comrades. I remember I went to Strasbourg and I fucking loved it. It was amazing. I bought the flag because I thought it looked really cool, and also, when the fuck am I ever gonna buy it again? Here is the Cornish flag, which honestly, I think is just a better British flag. You know, I think what I don't like about the English flags is that they are all like straight. I don't like, I prefer the Nordic flags that have the cross kind of on the side, but it's still a nice flag. You don't see many black and white flags. Here's the big ass Switzerland flag. Now, I actually went to Switzerland on Swiss Independence Day, comrades. There was loads of fireworks and shit in the streets, and I managed to get this big ass flag. This might be the biggest flag I own. And it's a fucking, well, no, the biggest flag that's not on the wall, obviously. I have this Portuguese flag that I bought when I was in Lisbon. I was in Lisbon for a week this year in April, earlier, and Lisbon's beautiful. It was my first time solo traveling. I traveled all by myself, comrades. It was honestly an amazing time. I love Portugal. I went to the biggest aquarium in Europe, I think, comrades. I forget what it's called, but it was amazing. They had a whole room made out of like pillows and foam, and you could just lay down there and sleep. It was fucking great. You know, for a lazy bitch ass like me, it was amazing. This is the flag of Devon, England. It's a weird flag. I bought this when I was in Plymouth. in Devon, and yeah, it's nice, but it's, you know, I don't know why I own this. I bought this Estonian flag when I was in Estonia. Wow. You know, I'm actually really sad I never bought a Latvian flag. It's the only Baltic flag I didn't get to buy. But yeah, I bought this Estonian flag when we was visiting our friend in Estonia. It was amazing, comrades. I loved Estonia. Was beautiful with the cliffs and shit. Not the cliffs, the mountains. We was in Viljandi, and I mean the fucking flag is beautiful too. It's one of my favorite flags of all time. And here we have the Italian flag. Comrades, this might actually be the biggest flag I own. This Italian flag is huge. I bought this on my first trip without my parents. It was me and Derek. We went to Italia. This is almost 2 years ago now. We went to Italia. Comrades, we went to Napoli to visit our good friend Leonidas, comrades. It was amazing. Yeah, we bought this shit. This flag is huge. I love it. The Italian colors are so good. You know, you got the pesto and the tomato sauce. It's amazing. It's an amazing place, trust me. Okay, now here we have this massive Union Jack flag, which is sadly broken. Because the stick is broken, so I cannot hang it anywhere. But I do like the Union Jack. It's a nice flag. I think it's a bit overused. You know, Fiji, Australia, New Zealand all got it, but it's still a nice flag. I like it, but fuck the British. I also own a smaller Union Jack. This one's just kind of useless. Like, fuck this shit. Because these are the big boy flags. This is a fat ass French flag I own. Yeah, this flag is huge. Yeah, I forgot I own this, I'll be honest. I found this about 2 minutes ago. Yeah, this is a big ass French flag, comrades. I bought while in France, obviously. Now, comrades, finally, we have the Luxembourg flag. Now, I'm gonna make sure I hold this the right way. I don't even know if you can see this on camera. But yeah, I showed this flag before and I held it upside down, and then everyone sort of knew I was a Yugoslav nationalist, so, you know, calm that shit down. Also, last time I showed it, a fucking meme template happened, and that is not happening again. I bought this while in Luxembourg. It's the biggest flag I own that's not showed off anywhere. But yeah, it's a very nice flag. Though I will say the print makes it look identical to the Dutch flag, so I don't know if I'm ever gonna buy a Dutch flag, really. Now, comrades, as many of you know, we obviously have the Ukrainian flag, the Somalian flag, and the Togo flag that are always on my wall. You know, Somalia is a country close to us because of Stanisław. Ukraine because, you know, I have to be unbiased. And then we have Togo because Glorer au Togo. We obviously have the Soviet flag, comrades, which is the biggest flag I own. It's a huge ass flag on my fucking wall. And then over here we own the Ugandan flag because we love, you know, you respect Togo. We respect Uganda. There's Turkey because I love my Turkish subscribers, comrades. And there is South Carolina, comrades, because of Mary Ridgway, our good Chinese friend. And there is the big American flag because, you know, I kind of want a Cold War vibe for my videos. And that is every flag I own. It's a fuck ton of flags. It's more flags than a reasonable human should own. But I will keep collecting flags, comrades. The more countries I visit, the more I will buy. But anyway, comrades, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a bit different. There's not really a theme or anything. But you know what? I thought it was fun to show the flag collection. Anyway, leave a like, subscribe, and make sure to let communism strike again.